In this video, I will walk you through on how to generate barcode, all right, for free using AI tool. This is common for those that are into writing and publication. So you don't need to pay for any, service for you to get barcode. Follow me. Let me walk you through on how you can do that. All right, the first step you need to take is to open a web browser that is installed on your computer. As your browser opens, visit this website freeaiden.com. As the page opens, scroll down. Before I continue, I want to tell you the importance of barcode. All right, barcode helps you to order the products you have in your store. All right, so each product has unique number and it makes tracking of your products easy. So let's continue. Now look at this section. You will see the barcode generator here. So click on create barcode. Advert shows because this is free to use. You don't need to sign up. So close it by clicking on this X. Once you're here, it says enter text or number. So let's say the number I want to use here is 247112. All right, that's the barcode number I want to use here. Then the select barcode type. All right, you know the type of barcode you want to generate. You can click here. We have AN13, UPC, code 39, ITF, dash 14. So you know the type of barcode you want to use. I'm good with this code 128. All right. So you can see the preview of how the barcode will look at the end. All right. So once you're here, you can decide to download in PNG, download in PDF, or reset to start afresh. But here I want to download in PNG. All right, which is the image version. So I'll click on this. And this barcode is downloaded. So let's get to the file explorer and to the downloads to see how this looks like. I'll refresh. Okay, look at it here. So I'll double click. I can maximize. So with this, I can go on and print it out. Okay, by sending it to my printer. You can generate as many barcodes as you like and print them and then have them tagged on your products one after the other. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and trending things that are in the world of tech. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something more? Just drop that in the comment section, okay? And hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can watch this video here to learn how to generate receipt for free with AI. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.